Please ping in the group, guys. Remaining members, they will join the session. And parallelly, can you please explain NGRX architecture? Can you people explain NGRX architecture? Pranav, can you take the responsibility to explain the NGRX architecture? Yesterday already I told na, Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think, can you please explain NGRX architecture?
So first we need to dispatch the action,
Mm.
and after that the action for implementing the action we need to implement the effect, and the effect will go to the server and take
Mm.
the response as
Mm.
a state, and after that we put the state in reducer,
Mm.
and then it goes to store, and
Mm.
and then store to subscribe our
Mm.
component.
Exactly. Your flow is right. Chaitanya, can you please explain? Care already he told. Can you please explain? Can you please explain NGRX architecture? Please tell me. You need to tell NGRX architecture.
First start with
Component is there na? Component is there na?
yes, sir. First start with component,
Ah.
then it will send an action. Then
Mm.
the action having some effects
Mm.
like withdraw, deploy kind of effects.
Mm.
So it will send to server as a service.
Mm.
From before that, it is sent to it receive the reducer,
Mm.
like first it receive the reducer, and it will be
Mm.
stored,
Mm.
and then it send the selector.
Mm.
Then it will comes to effects.
Mm.
Then finally it is receiving a service.
Mm.
Then it comes to UI, sir.
Yes. Can I ask the question by question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think Dhanraj, what
Sir.
is action? Dhanraj, what is action?
Action is something that we perform, like a deposit kind of. Deposit is an action, like withdraw is an action in banking.
Mm.
And these things are like are actions.
Actions. Next one. And one more point. Implementation of actions. What do you call? Implementation of actions. What do you call?
Effects.
Effects. Implementation of actions. We can call effects. Yes or not? And one more thing. Fun. Effects will communicate with the server and will fetch the data from server and hand over to whom?
Reducer.
And hand over to whom? Reducer. And hand over to whom? And hand over to reducer. Is my point right or not?
Yes, sir.
Listen, please explain once again here. You people need to explain once again here. Fine. Guys, you people need to tell once again here. Our thoughts, our ideas, what do you call? Tell me here. Our ideas, what do you call? Actions. No, our ideas called as Pranav, actions. Implementation of our actions, what do you call? Effects. So guys, can I go for the step by step procedure? Will you help me? Will you help me, guys? Please let me go for the step by step procedure. Let me go for the step by step procedure. Simple thing we need to implement. Yeah, see this one here. Here, let me go for the implementation.
Recording in progress.
Can I open Visual Studio Code?
Yes, sir.
Visual Studio Code. File, open folder. File, open folder. Which folder? Angular 7am.
Yes, sir.
Our folder is the, here we have one folder. The folder is the Angular 7am folder. Please go to the Angular 7am folder. Fun. After going to the Angular 7am folder, can I keep the today heading? 03 06 2021. Lucky Singh, mute yourself. Fine. First one, guys. First one is the create the model. Based on REST API call. Create the model based on REST API call. Fine. India, what is the first step? India, what is the first step? Create the model based on REST API call. Fine. Which REST API call? Can you people help? Which REST API call? REST API call. Which REST
Anything
API call?
related
HTTP call? No.
Localhost,
HTTP call / localhost colon 8080 /
products.
Products.
products. Fine. Can I check the response?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Check
sir.
the response. CD space server. Next one, node space server.
Server.
Server, sir. Spelling mistake.
Can you open the browser?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nepal, ask the servers to join the session. Why I need to ask, guys? You people need to do join now. Fine. See this one here. HTTP colon / localhost colon 8080 /
Slash products.
8080 / products. Unauthorized user. Why? Guys, is it contain any header?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Header content.
Many project.
Oh yeah, maybe it contains some header. How to test it? Through the postman? Na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Through the postman? Na? Let me go for the postman. Can I launch the app? Launch
Yes,
the
sir.
app.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the app is there, that app we need to launch. Yes. Here itself, observe this one. Here itself, can you tell the URL to me? HTTP colon / localhost colon 8080 / 8080 / products. Through the headers. Ashok IT na mini project equal to Ashok IT. Guys, are we getting response or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, are we are getting response or not? Yes, sir. Series one here, you people need to tell. Underscore ID, name, brand, rating, cost, description, image, quantity, count in stock. Very, very important, guys. What is the first one? Underscore ID.
ID.
What is the second one? Name.
Name.
What is the next one? Brand.
Brand.
What is the next one? Rating, cost, description, image, quantity, count in stock. So, can I prepare one interface based on the response? Can I prepare
Yes,
one
sir.
POSO class?
Yes, sir.
Can I prepare one POSO class based on the response? Yes,
Yes.
or not? So let
Yes,
me
sir.
create it here. We need to create it. How can I create it? How can I create it here? See this one here. What is the project name?
Mini
What is the
product.
project
Mini
name?
project.
The project name is the mini project. The project name is the, here already we have one project. Which project is there? Mini project.
Mini project.
Under the mini project, which folder? Source folder.
Folder.
We have one folder. Which folder is there? The folder is the which folder? Source folder. Here we have one folder. The folder is the source folder. Under the source folder, which folder?
App folder.
App folder. Under the app folder, which folder? Model folder. Under the model folder, what you wanted to place? Product dot model dot yes. See this one here. We should be in a position. We need to place the product dot model dot yes. Fine. Can you please explain once again? What is the project name?
Mini project.
What is the
Mini
project
project.
name? Mini project. Under the mini project, which folder?
Source folder.
Source folder. Under the source folder, which folder?
App
App folder.
folder.
Under the app folder, which folder? Model folder.
Folder.
Under the model folder, which model? Product
Dot
dot
model
dot model dot
yes.
yes. Let me go for the product dot model dot yes. Whatever the product dot model dot yes is there, that product dot model dot yes file we need to place. Product dot model dot yes file we need to create. Guys, don't unmute yourself, getting the background noise. Don't never unmute. Vindhya, please mute yourself. Yes, guys, how can I create it? Mini project. Under the mini project, source folder. Under the source folder, which folder?
App
Tell me
folder.
here, which folder? App folder. Under the app folder, which folder?
Right click.
Which
Model.
folder? New folder. Which folder? The folder is the model folder. Here we have one folder. The folder is the which folder? Model folder. Next one. Right click. New file. Right click. New file. Which file? Which
App
file?
Model
Product dot model dot yes. Can I place the products dot model dot yes? Not an issue. Fine. Guys, how can I create one interface? Like a POSO class in the sense, in general, we will prepare by using interfaces. POSO classes, we will prepare with the help of what? Interfaces. So, can I take one interface? Prathamesh, can I take one interface? Prathamesh,
Yes.
interface, which interface? Product interface. Why, sir? POSO classes. In general, we will prepare POSO classes by using interfaces. So we need to place interface product. Can I export the product? Can I
Yes.
export the product? How can I export it here? Export default.
Oh.
Export default. What you want to place product. Export default. We should be in a position. We need to place the product. Here itself, see this one here. What is the first key we need to take? What is the first key? Array respond here. Kindly respond.
ID.
What is the first key?
ID.
Underscore ID. Underscore ID equal to what you wanted to place? Underscore ID equal to we should be in a position. We need to place a string. Underscore ID equal to underscore ID equal to we should be in a position. We need to place a string. What are the string is there? Whatever the string is there, that string we need to place. Underscore ID equal to underscore ID equal to we should be in a position. We need to place a string. Fine. What is the next key you wanted to place? What is the next key? Name. We should be in a position. Name equal to what is the data type? String. Fine. What is the next one we need to place? Next one is the we should be in a position. We need to place the brand. Let me place the brand also. Brand
String.
equal to what you wanted to place? Brand
String.
equal to string we need to place. What is the next one you wanted to place?
Rating.
Next one is the we should be in a position. We need to place the rating. Rating equal to what you wanted to place? Number. Rating equal to number. What is the next one?
Cost.
What is the next one?
Cost.
Pranav, cost equal to number. Pranav, difficulty or following?
Following, sir.
Difficult na, Ashish, everyone, Girish Kumar.
Sir, we can use export in front of interface also.
Why not? You can. Why not? I think so many solutions are there, so many options are there. Any one of the options we can take. Cost we can take. Next one. What is the next one? Description. Next one is the what is the next one? Description equal to what you wanted to place string. Description equal to string. Next one. What you wanted to place? Image equal to what you wanted to place? Image equal to string. May know the next one? Quantity equal to. Talk with me. Quantity equal to we should be in a position. Quantity equal to what you wanted to place? Number. Quantity equal to number we need to place. May know the one more thing here? Count in stock equal to count in stock equal to we need to place the number. Count in stock equal to we should be in a position. We need to place the number. Guys, what is the name of the model? What is the name of the model? The name of the model is the product model. What is the name of the model? The name of the model is the product model here. Yes or not? Can I place that theoretical statement here? Yes, sir. Finally, guys, finally, product model. Finally, product model is ready. Finally, which one is ready? Product model is ready. Whatever the product model is there, that final product model is ready here. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. After making product model ready, can I create the ideas?
Yes.
Array, help me here, guys. Help me here. Can I create the ideas? Ideas technically what do you call? Chaitanya?
Actions.
Ideas technically what do you call? Actions. So can I create the ideas?
Yes, sir.
Satyajit, how to create the ideas? Create the actions. We should be in a position. We need to create the actions. Fine. Observe it. How many ideas you have in our mind? How many ideas? Get. What is the first idea? Get products. What is the second idea? Get products success. What is the third idea? Get products fail. Tell me, how many ideas we have?
3 ideas.
How many ideas we have? 3 ideas. What is the first idea?
Get
What is
products.
the first idea?
Get
Get products. The first idea is the get products. What is the second idea?
Get
Product
Success. The second idea is the get products success. What is the third idea?
Get
Get
product
product fail.
Open our mouth. The third idea is the get products success. Guys, implementation of these ideas technically what do you call? FX. Implementation of series fun here. Implementation of these ideas technically we can call what do you call? FX. Okay na? So how to implement above ideas? To implement above ideas, this is the code. Guys, code is the little bit tough here. Try to understand that code here. Fun, slow level explain here. Fun. Guys, here how many thoughts you have? 3 thoughts. Get products success, get products fail. Okay na? To implement our thoughts, to implement your thoughts, we need to take enum. Enum is used to enum is used to prepare your thoughts. Ashish, you have the three thoughts now. To prepare your thoughts, in order to prepare your thoughts, we need to go for enum. See this one here, we have the enum now. Enum, export enum products the action fun. This is what this is the your thought one, this is your idea two, this is your idea three. Guys, never go for the negative direction here, understand the point by point, that's it here. Never go for sir what is enum. Enum is nothing but the to create our custom data type. Don't go for that level, please go for the technical wise here, concept wise you need to say. To implement our ideas, we need to dependent on enum. Catch my point now. How many thoughts we have? Thought one, next one, thought two, next one is the thought three. Next one here itself. These thoughts you need to implement na. Arey, tell me
Yes, sir.
yaar. These
sir.
thoughts you need to implement na.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the thoughts are there, these thoughts you need to implement. To implement these thoughts, you need to prepare some classes. Class 1, next one is the class 2, next one is the class 3. Tell me here, these are your ideas na.
Yes,
To
sir.
implement your ideas, you need to prepare some classes. What is the first class? Products loading. What is the second class? What is the
Product
second
loading
class?
Success.
Products loading success. What is the third class? Products
Loading
loading
fail.
failure. Products loading failure. And you need to implement NGRX package na. To implement NGRX package, we need to download some third-party libraries. Give me the second here. I will show that libraries also. I will show the some libraries.
MongoDB,
No,
that kind of.
no. Yeah, see this one here. Some libraries. What is the first library? FX library. What is the second library? Hey, tell me here, what is the second library?
So
NGRX
library.
store.
To implement state management, we need to download two libraries. What is the first library?
FX.
FX library. What is the second library? Store library. Can I add that theoretical statement?
Yes,
Let me
sir.
add that theoretical statement. See this one here. Download libraries. Fine. How many libraries?
Library.
What is the first library? At the rate
At
NGRX
the
slash
rate NJRX.
FX. Next one. At the rate
NGRX
NGRX slash
store.
at the rate NGRX
Store.
slash store.
Store.
How many libraries we need to download? Two libraries we need to download. First library is the at the rate NGRX slash FX. Second one is the at the rate NGRX slash store. These are two libraries we need to download. Can you help me how to download this one? Can you help me how to
Yarna
download this one?
add.
Yarn, yard, at the rate NGRX slash
FX.
at the rate NGRX slash FX
Space
at the rate
NGRX slash
NGRX slash at the rate NGRX slash store hyphen save yarn add at the rate NGRX slash FX at the rate NGRX slash store hyphen save. Lucky, how to download these two libraries? Lucky Singh.
Sorry, yes.
Let me download it again.
Yeah.
How to download these two libraries? CD space
project name.
mini project. Yarn add at the rate NGRX slash FX at the rate NGRX slash store. Yes, automatically we are able to download. Satyajit, try to talk with us. Are you there now?
Yes, sir.
Why won't you reply to that message here? Please reply to that messages. Yeah, see this one here now. Now all the libraries will download. And after downloading the libraries, then we need to go for the our ideas preparations we need to see. Saroz, never miss the 10 minutes session also. Saroz, it's highly difficult to follow. Instead of understanding, misunderstanding will be there if you miss the session, sir. 5 minutes also important for the state management. Fine. Check this one, whether the libraries are downloaded or not. Still, it will take some time. Check that one here, whether it's downloaded or not.
It's a big dependency also, like
It's a heavy dependency. It's not the ordinary again. Too much heavy dependency. NGRX package is the too much heavy dependency. So state management is a difficulty in Angular. State management is a difficulty in React.js also. So which is subject introduced in the market? Vue.js. Vue.js. Fine. Guys, how to prepare your ideas? Tell me, you need to prepare our ideas. What is the project name? Arey, tell me, yaar, what is the project name? Project name is the
mini project.
What is the project name? Mini project. Under the mini project, which folder? Source folder. Under the source folder, which folder? App folder. Under the app folder, which folder? No. Actions folder. Actions folder. Under the actions folder, which action? Product dot action dot ts. We should be in a position. We need to place the product dot action dot ts. Let me go for the product dot action dot ts. Let me create it. Fine. What is the project name? What is the project name? The project name is the mini project. Here, the project name is the mini project. Under the mini project, which folder?
SRC.
Which folder? The folder is the SRC folder. Under the SRC folder, which folder? App folder. Under the app folder. Under the app folder, which folder? Model folder. Here we have one folder. The folder is the which folder? Model folder. Next one. Right click, new folder. Right click, new folder. Which folder? Right click, new folder. Which folder? The folder is the action folder. Actions folder. Right click, new file. Right click, new file. Which file? Product dot action dot ts. Product dot action dot ts. Guys, in our mind, how many thoughts you have? How many ideas you have?
3.
Tell me. Get products. Next one.
Get product success.
Next one. Get products a success. What is the thought you have in our mind?
Get products
a fail. One more thing is the get products a fail. Vindhya, how many thoughts we have in our mind? First one is the get products. What is the second one? Second one is the get products a success. What is the third one? What is the third one? Third one is the get products a fail. The third one is the what is the third one here? The third one is the get products a fail here. Nearly we have the three thoughts now. To implement our thoughts. To implement our thoughts, what are the thoughts we have here? To implement our thoughts, we need to take enum data type. Which data type you want to take? Enum data type. To implement, to prepare your thoughts. Saroz, unmute yourself. To prepare our thoughts, we need to dependent on enum data type. So, how to take enum data type? Export. What is the key? Enum. Enum equal to what is the enum? What is the enum? Product actions. The enum is the what is the enum care? Product actions. Fine. What is our first thought? What is our first thought? Get products now. Our first thought is the series fun here. The first thought is the get products. The first thought is the get products. Get products equal to we need to place some value, some dummy value, guys. This is not the exact value, some dummy, guys. You may feel like a difficulty. You may feel like a difficulty with the coding standards. You may say, "Sir, we don't know this coding standards," but to try to bear this one here, we don't have another option here. See this one here. Here itself, products loading. This is not the syntax, guys. So no need to go for this syntax. Anything we can place. If you wanted to place xyz, you can place the xyz. Some value, that's it. Apart from that one, no need to place any other thing. Next one. And one more thing. One more thing is the what is the one more thing? One more thing is the get products of success. Get products of success. We need to place. Let me place the get products of success. Fine. Here itself, what you wanted to place? Products loading success. Fine. What is the another idea we need to place? What is the another idea we need to place? We need to place one more idea. Which idea we need to place? The another idea is the another idea is the what is the another idea? Get products of fail. Get products of fail. Get products of fail equal to we should be in a position we need to place the we should be in a position we need to place the products loading products loading fail. Simply we need to place the products loading fail. Fine. Guys, please expand once again. Guys, in our mind, how many ideas you have? What is the first idea? What is the first idea? Get products. Is it nothing but your ideas or not?
Yes, sir.
It's just nothing but your ideas. Remember here, it's just nothing but your ideas. Remember that point here. Next one. What is the next one? What is the next one here? Next one is the get products success. Next one is the get products success. What is the third one?
Get
What is the third one?
fail.
Get products. Get products. Next one is the how many thoughts we have? 3 thoughts. What is the first thought? Get products. What is the second thought? Get products success. What is the third thought?
Get products
See this
fail.
here. What is the third thought? The third thought is the get products fail. Guys, how to implement your thoughts?
by
To
using
implement your thoughts, we need to take enum keyword. Guys, in the Java technology, so enum is there na?
Yes, sir.
Do you people know enum?
Yeah.
Satyajit, enum is there na? In the Java technology, we have
Yes.
one data type. Which data type? Enum
Enum.
data type is there. See this one here? Yeah, lucky thing. Export enum. Export enum. What you wanted to place? What you wanted to place? Products actions. Product action. Any name here, we can place any name. Not an issue. Fine. What is our first thought?
get
What
product.
is our first thought? Our first
Get
thought is the get products equal to what you wanted to place equal to we should be in a position equal to we need to place the products loading. Fine. Guys, it's just nothing but the remembering name. That's it. No need to place the products loading something there. You can place anything. But in the real-time applications, they're following these standards. If you don't want to follow these standards, don't follow the standards. Fine. Next one. And one more point. Can I go for the one more thing? Can I go for the one more thing? What is the one more thing? Get products success. Get products success. Tell me here. Here itself, what you wanted to place? Products. Products loading success. We should be in a position. We need to place the products loading success. Fine. Next one. Can I go for the one more thought? Can I go for the one more thought? Say this one here. What is the one more thought? Get products fail. Here we have the one more thought. The thought is the which thought is there? Here we have the one more thought here. The thought is the which thought is there? Get products fail. Get products fail. We need to place. Next one. See this one here and here itself. And here itself we need to place the products loading fail. Simply we need to place the products loading fail. Guys, how many thoughts we have in our mind? 3 thoughts. Who will implement these thoughts? Tell me, yaar, who will implement these thoughts? No, yaar, no. These thoughts implemented by
Programmer.
implemented by whom? No, not defining by Unum. Who will implement these thoughts? Listen here, listen here. How many thoughts you have? How many thoughts you have? Three. Who will implement these thoughts? FX. FX will implement these thoughts or not? Help me here.
Yes.
FX will implement here. How to define your thoughts? To define your thoughts, we need to go for the enum data type. Guys, if we catch the hard points, you can happy with the NGRX package. If you have the dilemma to understand the terminology, too much difficult topic with Angular. Listen here, guys. How many thoughts you have? How many thoughts you have? 3 thoughts. Thought 1, thought 2, thought 3. Who will implement these thoughts? Who will implement these thoughts? These thoughts implemented by FX. How FX will implement? FX will connect with the what? FX will connect with what? FX will connect with
Server.
the server.
Server.
Server will connect with what? Server will connect with what? Database.
Data.
Database giving the information back to whom?
Server.
Server. Server giving the information back to whom?
FX.
FX. FX giving the information back to whom? Reducer.
Reducer.
Array, no, just to follow the architecture here. Never say that one here. This is the architecture, na. Guys, listen,
sir.
listen the complete flow once again. You need to listen here. Guys, how many thoughts you have?
Three
thoughts.
thoughts.
Thought one, thought two, thought three. Who will implement these thoughts?
Effect.
Who will
FX
implement
will
it?
implement
FX will implement it here. Yes or not? How
Yes, sir.
how
Yes,
FX will implement? FX internally connected to the
Connect to the server.
node server.
Server.
FX internally will connect to node server.
notes.
Node server will connect to what?
DB.
Node
DB.
server will
DB.
connect to what?
Database.
DB. DB giving the response back to whom?
Server.
Server.
Server giving the response back to whom?
FX.
FX.
FX giving the information back to whom?
Reducer.
Guys,
Reducer.
this is the architecture now.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
the
sir.
guys, know
Yeah.
this architecture here. If you know this architecture, your NGRX package is completed. If you know this architecture, then NGRX package is completed here. Fine. Guys, are you comfortable? Anyone feeling the difficulty to understand this one?
No.
Anyone?
No,
sir.
Guys, if you
No.
know this flow, if you fix this flow in your mind, then your NGRX package successfully completed here. Pranav, can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Pranav,
Yes.
open up
Yes,
mouth. Can I
yes.
continue? Yes, sir. Let me continue here. Fine. Can I share that diagram to you?
Yes,
sir.
Let
sir.
me share that diagram to you. Maybe handwritten diagram here. Don't worry. Can just I hope by seeing this one you can understand. Okay, na? And one more point. One more point is the who will implement, guys? Who will implement?
FX.
FX. But FX can't understand enum. Coming to the effect, one problem is there. FX won't understand enum. Yes or not? So,
Yes, sir.
what is the best solution? These ideas you need to convert to classes. Saros, what is the problem I am saying? FX, Saros,
FX is
FX
not able to understand enum,
not
sir. That's why we
understanding
have to implement all these ideas in classes.
classes. Who will understand classes? FX.
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 Okay, na? Fine. How to create the class? Let me create the some classes. Export, class, which class? The class is the get products class. Fine. Guys, to implement your thought, we need to go for implements one predefined class is there. Which predefined class? Action class. Very, very important, guys. To create a class, we need to dependent on one predefined class. Which predefined class? Action.
Action.
Why this class? This class is used to implement the thought one or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Help me here. This class is used to implement the thought one or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir,
can I
yeah.
implement? How can I implement it here? Public type. Series fun here. Public type series fun here. Public type equal to we need to place the get products. Get products. Export na. Check the predefined code.
Product actions dot.
Read only keyword, guys. We need to place read only keyword. Public read only type equal to what is the enum name? What is the enum name? Product actions dot get products. Fun. Guys, can I explain the concept once again here? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
say this fun here. Saroz, what is the problem we are facing as a developer? This enum not
Sir, enum is
understood
not
by.
able to understand by effects, sir.
So, what is the solution you are saying to me?
They are implementing classes.
Yes, sir. Please
Ideas
convert
into a classes.
ideas into a classes. To convert ideas to classes, we need to dependent on one predefined class. Which predefined class? Action class. That action class present into which package?
NGRX.
Which package?
NGRX store.
NGRX/store. Fun. Anyhow, guys, here some more points were feeling the difficulty. Can export class export class, which class? Get products.
Get product.
Get products, implements.
Implements
Which one?
action.
Actions.
Implements part, implements, we should be in a position, we need to place the action. Next one, see this one here, public read only, public read only, type equal to, what is the first action you have?
Product actions
Get
dot
products.
product.
See this one here, product actions dot get products. Fine. Can you help me two more classes?
Sir, what is read only there, sir?
I think don't modify your idea. Don't give the option to someone to modify your idea. Give the
So
only
like,
read
is
access.
it a keyword or what is
Keyword.
this exactly?
It's a keyword. This is our thought now. Don't give chance to someone to update it. So this is one of the keyword here. Fine. To represent, to refer, enum, one more keyword is there. Which keyword? Type keyword. You know constant, you know final keyword. Do you know final
Yes, sir,
keyword?
yeah.
In our Java,
Yeah.
final keyword is there now. This is the final keyword.
Yeah.
This is the final keyword. And one more thing, to refer enums, one more keyword is there. Which keyword is there? Type is the keyword. Fine. Guys, can you tell the one more class? Can you people tell the one more
sir.
class?
Yeah.
Anyone? Export
Export
Yes, sir.
class,
Export class.
class,
Get product success.
get
Get product
products
success. Implements action.
implements interface. Which interface?
Action.
Action.
Interface. Implements one interface. The interface is the action interface here. Public public
Read only type.
read only type equal to
Read only
public
type equal
read only
to.
type equal to
Product action
actions
dot
dot
get product success.
get products success. Fine. Guys, and if your thought implemented successfully, you are getting result from the server na.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Tell me yaar.
Yeah.
If your
Yes, sir.
thought implemented successfully, you are getting result from the server na. Yes, sir.
Yes,
To
sir.
catch
Yeah.
that result, take one constructor variable. Which variable we need to take? The variable is the products variable. I think you prepared the POSO class na. You
Yes,
prepared
sir.
the POSO class
Yeah.
or not? You prepared the POSO class. So whatever the POSO class is there, that POSO class care. Listen care. If a second thought implemented successfully, are you getting result?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
That
sir.
result we
Yeah.
need to store into which variable?
Products.
Products variable. Fine. What is the data type? POSO class. Fine. Next one, guys. And one more point. Can you people tell one more point here? The one more point is the. Can you people tell one more point here? Export. Class. Get products
Class.
fill.
Get product fill.
Fill. Implements.
Implements action.
Implements action. Implements what you wanted to place. Implements action. Export class. Get products fill. Implements action. Yes or not? Say this one here. Public. Public. Read only.
type.
Public. Read only. Type. Public. Read only. Type here. Next one. What you wanted to place? Product actions
Product action dot get
get
product
products
fill.
fill. Product actions
Fill.
dot next one is the get products fill. Automatically we will place it. Fine. If a
Constructor.
third thought, listen here. If a third thought implemented successfully, automatically are we getting error?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If a third thought implemented successfully, are we getting error?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Open our mouth here. Yes, we are
Yes,
getting
sir.
error.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So to
Constructor.
implement that, to catch that error, we need to go for constructor. What you wanted to place? Public. Public. See this one here. Error colon. What is the data type? The data type is the string. Okay na? Guys, respond here.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, here also we have to create POJO, sir, in this
Error na?
like product. No, product.
This one na?
Uh-huh.
This one na? Already prepared the POSO class na?
Okay, sir. I was not there, sir.
That is the point I'm saying here. Why we call in the sense, the reason is that if you miss the 10-minute session also, just like a cinema, you can't understand anything. So that is the point I'm saying here. Guys, totally how many classes you prepared?
Three.
Three classes.
Three,
Guys, these 3 classes you need to supply to whom? You need to hand over to whom? These classes you need to
server, sir.
No, Saroj, what you are saying? These 3 classes you need to give to whom?
FX, sir.
FX. So how can you hand over to FX? See this one here. Export, type, just to prepare one final class. See this one here. Product product action types. Product action types equal to what is the first class? What is
Get
the first
product.
class?
Get
Guys,
product.
one point here.
Get
Come out,
product.
guys. Come out from the negative thoughts here. In our mind, so many negative points are there. Sir, I don't know what is read only. I don't know what is the type. Come out from the negative thoughts, guys. Read only in the sense. Don't edit our thoughts. Read only in the sense what? Don't edit
Don't
our
edit.
thoughts. These the thoughts are the final na.
Yes,
These
sir.
thoughts given by the Chaitanya. How should I modify? I don't want you to modify. So what you wanted to place? Read only. How to refer enum? To refer enum. What you wanted to place? Type. Only that 2 points you need to remember here. Apart from that one, you need to go for any other point here. Fun series, fun care. Get products. What is the next class? What is the next class? Talk with me.
Get
Get a
product.
product
Product
success. What is the next class?
Get
Get
product.
product. Sell.
Get products fail. The next class is the get products fail. Guys, are your thoughts ready?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Guys,
Yes,
are
sir.
your thoughts ready?
Yes, sir.
What is our first thought? Get
Get
products.
product.
What is our second thought?
Get
Get
product
product.
Success.
Success.
What is our next thought?
Get
Get
product
product
fail.
Get products
Fail.
fail. If a thought to success, result will be stored into
Products.
products.
Product.
If a thought 3 success, result will be stored into
Error.
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 Listen
Error.
here. Listen my statement here. If a thought 3 success here I'm saying here. If a thought 3 success, result stored into
Error.
error. Thought 3
Error.
result stored into error. Fine. These 3 classes you need to hand over to action.
Effect.
These
Effects.
So to hand over to FX, we need to create one final class. We need to create one final class here. Which one we need to create? Product action types. Series one here. Product action types equal to get product success. Next one is the get products fail. Why sir?
Sir, if in the first get product details, if it is success, so where it
First
will be?
one,
Yes.
First
Store.
one is the hitting the server. How can you get the result here? First one is the you need to hit the server. That's it.
Okay.
Getting or not? Hit the server. That's it. After hitting the server, maybe positive, maybe error.
Okay. Got it.
Lucky.
Yes.
Getting na. I think
Yes.
you are asking sir where? No, you just hit the server. That's it.
Okay.
Hitting your task is over. After hitting the server, positive means second person. Failure means third person.
Right.
Fine. Let me see this one. Go to the series one. Go to the class notes or something we need to place. Finally, you need to place something here. What you wanted to place? Finally, assume this one here. Finally, following actions are ready. Fine. Who is the major person? Who is the major person? Right, tell me here. Who is the major person? Product action types.
Action types.
Under the product action types, how many sub persons are there? How many sub persons are there?
Sir.
First
Three.
sub person is the get products. Who is the second sub person?
Get product success.
Get products of success. Second person is the who is the second person? Get products of success. Who is the third person?
Get products fail.
Get products of fail. Third person is the who is the third person? Get products of fail. Fine, guys. So will you please update up to now? Up to now, guys. So if you prepare up to now, and 2 more sessions I will take. 2 more sessions in the next session. I will tell you FX creation. Next one is the reducer creation. FX creation. Next one is the reducer creation. Next one store. Next one dispatch and subscribe. Guys, can I continue or will you prepare up to now? Difficulty here. Guys, getting the output. Guys, no, getting the output is not great, guys. Some people they are thinking in the wrong way. Sir, please complete it. No. Completing the task is not the great here. You need to update along with me here. Totally, how many things we prepared to today here? What is the first one we prepared? Pozo
Model.
First of all, we prepared what? First of all, we prepared the Pozo class here.
Class.
What is the name of the Pozo class?
Product.
Next one. How many libraries we downloaded?
2
Two
libraries.
libraries.
What is the first library?
Effects and
FX.
stores.
What is the second library?
Store. NTRF.
First library is the FX. What is the second library? Store. Next one. What is the third one we done? Prepared the actions. We prepared the actions. Fine. How many actions we prepared? Who is the top level class? Product action types. These are product action types contain how many sub actions? Get products.
3.
Get products a success. Next one is the
Get product.
get products to fail.
Fail.
Twice.
Fails.
Who will implement these actions? FX. So can I go for the FX? Tell me. Create the FX. We should be in a position. We need to create the FX. How can I create the FX? Let me create the FX. Fine. Guys, see this one here. Implementation of anyone. Implementation of actions called as implementation of actions called as what? Called as tell me your implementation of actions called as what? Called as FX. Implementation of actions called as FX. Okay now. So what is the project name? Anyone? The project name is the
project.
what is the name of the project? Mini project.
Mini
Under
project.
the mini project, which folder?
Source
folder. Under the source folder, which folder?
App folder.
App folder here. Under the app folder, see this one here. Under the app folder, one more folder. Under the app folder, one more folder. Which folder? The folder is the FX folder. Under the FX folder. Under the FX folder, which effect? Which effect? Product dot fx.ts. Product dot fx.ts here. Say this one here. What is the name of the project? The name of the project is the mini project. The name of the project is the mini project. Under the mini project, which folder? Source folder. Which folder? App folder. Under the app folder, which folder? FX folder. Under the FX folder, which effect we need to prepare? Product fx.ts. Okay, na? Guys, please update up to now here. Please update up to now. If you give the confirmation to me, sir, we are perfect with the up to the actions. If you give the confirmation to me, then I will go for the effects. Guys, why I'm stressing you in the sense, this is the highest topic with the Angular. That's it here. If you prepare this one, even if you go for the company also, same topic will be there. No doubt at all here. No doubt at all here. So because of that reason, I'm stressing you regarding the state management. Fine. Please, guys, still, if you people want to attend the evening today, please attend the evening also. But first of all, prepare up to the actions. Can I take the class on the evening also? Will you people
Evening
attend?
at what time, sir?
6 o'clock. 6
Okay,
that is not mandatory. That is not the mandatory. If you prepare up to the actions today, if you prepare up to the actions itself, up to the actions in the evening, I will tell you FX. Next one is the reducer. 2 things I will tell you. Maybe tomorrow session I will complete the state management example. Not mandatory here. If you have sufficient time, sir, we will learn the slowly just to go for the day wise. No, if you ask me, sir, take the evening also, I'm ready to take it. As
Sir, it's an important topic, sir. It's better to take day by day.
I will come afternoon, sir. Today we will come afternoon.
No, guys, let me go for the slowly. Don't make the rush about it. Maybe 1 or 2 days are waste here. That is not the great game. But once if you prepare state management perfectly, e-commerce application is the simple. I think I may not struggle to explain the e-commerce application. So please prepare now here. In the tomorrow session, we will go for that one. Okay, can I commit the code?
We cannot move ahead like as backend is not ready. So sir, like my API is not, sir, my API is not connecting with MongoDB, sir.
Already
cluster problem is there.
Already Danda's completed. Just to talk with him, just to chat with him, he will help you. Okay, Git.
Sir, he just
commit. Tell me here. Local database, na? He taken the local database, na? He taken the local database, na?
Yeah, I heard about this. He used local database.
Actually, I've seen my code, or I'll just saying blindly. Have you seen my code?
No. Danda's, she's saying here, you are using local database. You are not using MongoDB Atlas. But she is asking, please use the MongoDB Atlas.
Yeah, that's the issue, sir. I can do it by using any database, sir.
Danda's, to run your code, database is mandatory. Which database? Local DB is mandatory.
Local DB mandatory.
But no, you need to link that code to the cloud database, like a MongoDB Atlas.
That's an issue, sir. That's why. That's an issue.
Okay, fine. Anyhow, because I don't have idea in that area, because if I have that idea, then I can do that function. Because myself, I have only knowledge on the front-end technologies. I don't have the knowledge.
Sir, if I can do by MySQL, sir, then I can do it. Like like everything is ready, sir.
I will once look at the how can we buy connect to the cloud DB. I will see in 2-3 days. I will let you know, sir.
Dandas, maybe half an hour only, not 2-3 days. It will take just a half an hour time to you, not more than that one.
Okay,
Okay.
I will
Just
find it.
just only you need to identify that URL. That URL you need to identify. If you identify
Sir,
that
I
URL,
have URL also,
And,
and I was trying to configure in properties
Hmm.
file, but I don't know, sir. Cluster problem is showing, sir.
Saroja, for the past
Yeah,
10 days, once you are saying that one. The reason is that I don't have
Sir,
knowledge about
MongoDB, sir, I'm not comfortable with MongoDB. Like first time
Yeah,
I have
wait, Ken.
created cluster and everything.
Yeah, the reason is that
No,
because I don't have the knowledge about the Spring Boot and microservices. If I have the knowledge, na, I think definitely I can cover that one because I don't have the knowledge. So because of
I
that reason,
have created so many APIs, sir. Before also, I have created one mini project using like MySQL DB and I connected with Angular. But the thing is that, sir, with MongoDB, it's like
Keep on trying, you will get one day success. Keep on trying.
Sir, actually, I have some
yeah,
doubts.
yeah. I don't need your advice. I'll do it. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
I know you
Leave
can
it.
do it.
I'm not asking you. Your suggestion is not needed.
Saroja, leave it. And one more point. Yes, someone talking.
Sir, actually, I have some doubts, sir. Actually, I don't
Satyajit,
know.
go ahead.
I don't know Node and database and Java, sir. Is it good? I only know Angular.
Angular, you know, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you prepared from me or at outside?
Sir, I study in Norwich IT.
Recording stopped.
Yeah, I think see this one. I think in the Angular training, I hope they may not cover like NGRX package, like custom modules, lazy loading. They won't cover here, but here we are covering that one. I hope you can understand. In Angular training, whatever the topics we have, these are the main topics.
Sudha Goswami sir taught me. Actually.
No, okay. Person name is not enough here.
Okay, okay.
But the thing is that like to work on the projects, these are the things are required.
Okay,
The things are the like NGRX package required here. Next one is the interceptors are required. Interceptors are required. Next one is the interceptors required. Next one is the RxJS package. Next one is the module creation. Next one is the lazy loading. Next one is the APIs integrations. Next one is the like Gmail integration. Next one is the Facebook integration, PayPal integration. These kind of integrations are needed. Fine. These things are the real learning of Angular. Okay, so in the generally in the training classes, they won't cover these kind of things. If you know these things, then you can work on the projects. Okay, na? Fine. Now coming to our training classes, I'm not discussing the basics. Directly we are discussing about these advanced topics.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, na? Fine. Coming to the APIs integrations, I'm explaining Node.js in the class. Fine. I think these people, Saroju, Dhanraju, Pratyush, these people are from the Java background. They're forcing me, sir, please go for the Java integration. I'm saying to that people, I don't know Java. Okay, that is the point I'm saying here.
Yes.
Okay, coming to the APIs integrations, you need not to put the focus here. Okay,
yes, yes.
Fine. Yeah, guys, thank you guys. In the tomorrow session, we'll meet once again. Guys, will you give the guarantee to me? Will you prepare before joining the tomorrow session?
Yes.
Alright, talk with me here.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
No doubt here. No doubt. You people need to show the progress up to now. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Thank you guys.
yes, sir.
Yes.